A point on the equator of Mars is 3.40 times 10 raised to 6 from the planet center. Mars completes one full rotation every 24.6 hours. So for A, the given is radius 3.40 times 10 raised to 6 and time, which is 24.6 hours. So ko-convert natin to para ma-convert sa minute times 60 para ma-convert sa seconds times. So this would give us 88,560 seconds. Required is linear speed, so velocity. Equation is v is equal to 2 pi r t, and for solution we have v is equal to 2 pi 3.40 times 10 raised to 6 over 88,560. So calculate natin. 2 pi 2.40 times 10 raised to 6 241 241.22. So for final answer, move natin to 2.41 times 10 raised to 2 meter per second. So for B, the given 3.40 times 10 raised to 6 radius, and velocity is 2.41 times 10 raised to 2. So required is radial acceleration, and equation for this is v2 over r. So solution v2, so velocity 2.41 times 10 raised to 2 squared over 3.40 times 10 raised to 6. Calculate natin. 2.41 times 10 raised to 2 times 3.40 times 10 raised to 6. So 0.0171. So for final answer is, move natin to 1.71 times 10 raised to negative 2 time meter per second squared.